We are at the summit of Tibbet Knob, the only place that we could find open after the bomb cyclone and the winds of the last 2 days. Much of the National Forest Service was closed. Mary's Rock was closed, Little Schloss was closed. We have driven round and about until we found our way here, and it was a nice little breezy, chilly day to go climbing.
Tibbet Knob is the sister hike to Big Schloss, so you'll start at the same parking area, the Wolf Gap campground, but instead of going to the right, you'll go to the left and cross the street, and then you'll be at the yellow blazed trailhead for Tibbet Knob. Tibbet Knob is an easy 3.2-mile hike. There aren't any steep uphills, but there are 2 very short scrambles near the top. While the trail is dog-friendly, small dogs may need help navigating those scrambles. If you're looking for constant spectacular views, this is the hike for you.
You get a lot of good views as you're hiking, which is pretty nice. And the trail kind of slopes down and up, but unlike Big Schloss, the sister hike to this, where you have a steep uphill in the beginning and then leveling out, this kind of goes up and down. So the first 0.2 miles were pretty steep, and then it kind of evened out, and then it went down, and now we're going back up again.
Today we're seeing more downed trees on the trail than I've ever seen anyplace else.
Somebody probably did a good job of cleaning the trail up. I imagine yesterday there were probably volunteers up here cleaning the trail up, which is very nice.
And having a gorgeous time on a trail that just really nobody else is on. Maybe they know something.
This hike has 2 rock scrambles that look more challenging and steep than they actually are. Pay attention to your footing and you'll be fine.
So we are at the top of Tibbet Knob. It is a cold day to be up here. It is super windy.
Despite the calamitous beginning, we ended up having a gorgeous hike and wonderful views. The wind was a little much, so we couldn't have lunch at the top of Tibbet Knob, but we nevertheless enjoyed our day. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please hit subscribe. You can also now follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Hiking Misadventures, and of course, follow the blog at hikingmisadventures.com.